Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly special, the Vivo X200 Pro. It's not just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of technology. Whether you're a gadget lover, a photography enthusiast, or simply someone who wants the best in their pocket, you're in for a treat. Let's talk about design. The Vivo X200 Pro is an absolute stunner. With its ultra-sleek frame and edge-to-edge AMOLED display, it feels like a piece of art. The curves, the craftsmanship, it's all about making you fall in love at first sight. But the real magic lies in its camera. Equipped with a 200-megapixel Pro imaging system, the X200 Pro is not just capturing moments, it's creating masterpieces. Whether it's vibrant landscapes or dreamy night shots, every click leaves you speechless. It's the kind of camera that makes you want to explore the world just to see it through this lens. Performance-wise, Vivo takes no shortcuts. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor ensures you're always ahead, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. And with 120-watt fast charging, say goodbye to battery anxiety. It's built to keep up with your pace, no matter how fast you go. When I hold the X200 Pro, it's not just a device. It's a gateway to creativity, connectivity, and sheer joy. This isn't just about specs and features, it's about how it makes you feel. It's about experiencing life in the most vivid, extraordinary way possible. So that's the Vivo X200 Pro, a phone that's setting new benchmarks in the tech world. What do you think? Is it the phone of your dreams? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring.